Hello family, and thanks for stopping by. Today on the menu I have ginger soy chicken, and these are the ingredients. I have 5 small chicken thighs. I have some sesame seeds. I have green onions that I've cut on the bias. I have minced ginger, soy sauce. I have some vegetable oil. I have some ginger pepper, and that's just red pepper and ginger powder together. And I have some brown sugar. And this is what we'll do. Into this bowl, I'm going to add my brown sugar, soy sauce, ginger. You get all of that out of there. Ginger pepper. And some oil. Gonna mix this together. Mix it well. Gonna taste it a little bit. Really good. We're going to pour the marinade over the top of the chicken. And then we're going to set it in the fridge for 30 minutes and let it marinate. And I'll show you what we'll do next. Make sure all your meat is covered. I'm just going to use a little brush. And I'll be back after that's done. So it's finished marinating. It marinated for 30 minutes. But what I did, I let it marinate on one side for 15 minutes. And then I went in and I flipped it over and marinated it on the other side for 15 minutes. So now I'm going to take it and put it in this pan with a little bit of oil. And we're going to cook it. Hopefully they'll all fit. You don't want to put them too close because they won't fry, they'll steam. We're going to let that do what it does, and then we'll flip it over. Okay, I turned it over, and I turned it down to a medium. We're going to let it go. You have to watch them closely and flip them often because that brown sugar will cause it to burn. I removed the meat from the pan, and now we're going to make the sauce. I have poured most of the oil out of the pan. Left just a little, as you can see, and now I'm going to add the sauce that we used to marinate the chicken. We're going to cook this until it thickens. I'll probably add a little honey and a little pat of butter. You don't have to, but I probably will. We want it to thicken, and then we're going to place our chicken back in the pan and just glaze it, and then we'll fix it up with a plate. I've already made some coconut rice and some broccoli. See how it's thickening up? See how it's separating like that? That's because it's getting thicker. I'm going to add some honey. Cook that a little. And don't forget, you have to taste it. Taste, taste, and taste until it tastes like you want it to taste. Now I'm going to add the butter. And that's butter, not margarine. Back into the pan, and I'm just covering the chicken with the sauce. Tastes delicious too. And there you have it, guys. Ginger soy chicken with broccoli and coconut rice. Well, I enjoyed myself. I hope you did too. And don't forget to pray. Then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for them, pray for you, pray for us. Then pray again. Don't stop praying. Pray. And until next time, eat well and be well.